Welcome to week 9 notes. This is multi-step equations, and we are just going to be combining like terms and distributing within the parentheses in addition to what we've been doing in the last few weeks. So what this is just building upon what we've done in the last few weeks. Let's write down the steps. Combine like terms while keeping the equation balanced. Add or subtract the constant on the variable side to both sides, getting that variable term by itself on one side. Then the third step is multiply or divide the coefficient to both sides. And finally, write your answer in circle. Let's do a few examples. First example, we have 21 equals r minus 8r. We have to solve for r. So the first step is to make that a little nicer. Combine like terms. So on the right side, r minus 8r is really just 1r if you think about it like that. 1 minus 8 is negative 7. So we have a negative 7r on the right side, and then we still have our 21 on the left side. Now, we can follow this third rule right here and multiply or divide. In this case, it's divide the coefficient on both sides, because whatever we do on one side, we have to do on the other side. So that means the 7, or negative 7s rather, cancel. 21 divided by negative 7 is negative 3. And I like writing it this way with my variable on the right. Let's try another one. So we're going to have 4 plus 5r minus 4r equals negative 2. Again, first thing we want to do is combine our like terms. And while we do that, we need to keep the equation balanced. Now, we don't have to worry so much about balancing here because everything's on the left side that can be combined. 5 minus 4, well, hang on, let me just write this next step down here. 4, and then that's 5 minus 4, so that's 1. So 1r, or r, you don't have to write the 1, equals negative 2. Now we have to add or subtract a constant to both sides. So the constant is right here on the variable side, right, which is the left side here. Same thing on both sides, keeping it balanced. Here's our equal sign. It comes down right here. And then it's going to go down right here. R equals negative 6. And we box our answer. All right. Let's try a couple more. Negative 7p minus 3p equals negative 10. Okay. First thing is we want to combine our like terms. Negative 7p minus 3p. So we're negative 7 already, and we go 3 more negative. That brings us to negative 10p equals negative 10. Now we want to divide this coefficient of negative 10 on both sides. Negative 10s cancel. P equals 1, because negative 10 divided by negative 10 is 1. And box. Last one. R. We're using a lot of R's today. R plus 2 plus 3 equals 2. So what we're going to do is combine our like terms. Well, what are our like terms? So we have 2 and 3. Those can be combined to 5. And r plus 5 equals 2. Next step is we subtract 5 from both sides. And then r equals negative 3. And we box, and we're done.